Thanks for clicking this video. Please stay with me till the end. In a world where technology drives our creativity, learning, and productivity, one device stands out as the ultimate companion: the Apple iPad, 10th generation. With cutting-edge features and stunning design, it's not just a tablet, it's your gateway to endless possibilities. Let's explore why this iPad is the perfect choice for you. Design and display. The iPad, 10th generation, boasts a stunning 10.9-inch Liquid Retina display. Whether you're binge-watching your favorite series, editing photos, or reading an e-book, its clarity and color accuracy will leave you mesmerized. Every pixel is meticulously crafted for an immersive viewing experience. And let's talk design. This iPad is as gorgeous as it is functional, available in an array of stunning colors, including the eye-catching blue. Its durable, lightweight build ensures you can take it anywhere with ease. Under the hood, the A14 Bionic chip delivers unmatched performance. This powerhouse ensures lightning-fast speed and seamless multitasking, whether you're switching between apps or editing high-resolution videos. Gamers, rejoice! The A14 Bionic chip enhances gameplay with smooth graphics and responsive controls, making it the perfect device for leisure and productivity alike. Capture every moment with the iPad's 12MP front and back cameras. Whether it's a stunning landscape or a quick selfie, the results are always crisp and vibrant. For video calls, center stage ensures you're always in the frame no matter how much you move. It's like having a personal cameraman for your virtual meetings and family catch-ups. Your security matters. With Touch ID, unlocking your iPad is effortless and secure. It's convenience at your fingertips. And with iPadOS, everything feels intuitive. Pair it with the Apple Pencil for note-taking or sketching, or the Smart Keyboard for productivity on the go. It's an experience tailored to your needs. Connectivity and battery life. Stay connected with Wi-Fi 6, offering faster speeds for seamless browsing and streaming. And with all-day battery life, you can work, play, and create without interruptions. Because your day shouldn't revolve around a charger. Conclusion. The Apple iPad 10th generation is more than a device. It's a tool for your creativity, productivity, and entertainment. Experience the difference. Visit the Apple website or your nearest retailer today to make it yours. Please subscribe my channel with like, comment, and share.